is that approach?
That's actually Navy Jack's tower.
That's Navy Jack's tower.
I had that coming in. So.
Okay, so we need to go to 127775.
Hello, traffic kids. There's a medevac helicopter on a 5 mile straight in final for the approach in runway 25 for launch traffic.
So 5. 1277. All right, so that's on the backup.
Double check that frequency, please.
127775. Not 0. Okay, there we go. All right, so those are good now. Where the hell were we? Guidance and radios. All right, we got ATIS on COM 2 that we'll use when we come back. Falcon 1200 on the transponder, and strobe will kick on when we get to the runway. And we're going to do a max climb. Maximum effort. You just walk through this to the end, full power, hold in the brakes, release the brakes. At 55, get it off the ground as soon as possible.
And then at 60, just drop it to the deck 60, and start program the nose up to keep it at max angle.
With flaps remaining at 10.
That's the little salad plate I meant. Right. Just as a rough estimate. No, not with flaps at 10.
Okay, so as soon as it gets off the ground, dump the flaps.
Here's technically, you know what?
Yeah.
If you want to do it that way, do it that way. I know how this plane operates.
Okay.
I think the book actually has you doing what you said. I'm showing you how to do it in the real world in this plane. So for today, trust me on that.
Okay.
Dump them at 60, park the nose, and you're going to see that you're doing okay.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? Now, this guy is coming the wrong way. He's a helicopter. And he did call it, so we'll see if I think their life flight thing is right. That's their hangar.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to see what he does. We'll see what he does.
I don't see him.
Oh, he's coming the wrong direction. What I'm saying. Shit.
That's okay. We'll wait.
Hello, air traffic. Kids there, medevac helicopter is departing runway 25 for the east ramp. Launch traffic.
Yeah, he's parking at his hangar.
I'm going to scoot up.
Heron Drive 5, 2 Head of Foxtrot, taking off runway 7 departure, north Heron.
That's fine. I can barely hear him. Don't want to get too close because he's going to be spitting. If there's rocks and crap, he's going to be spitting them up at you. It's like parking behind a dump truck on the highway. Right now, you can go up to the line if you want. I'll keep going. I've never flown a twin.
Really?
No, a twin prop. Lots of twins, just none of them were props.
I was about to say, I'm pretty sure your main bread and butter had 2 engines, sir.
Yeah, it did. It did. I've never done. I had to do the caveat. Never done a twin prop.
All right, are we good to go out or what?
Yeah, just wait till he rotates. Because I can't see, so you're gonna have to. Once he rotates, you're good to call for takeoff.
There he's off the ground. Okay.
Airline traffic, Skyhawk 1100, taking runway 7 for departure. Airline traffic.
MA725.
Okay, get your.
All right, yep.
Yeah. Okay, good. Just want to make sure.
Heading. All right. Ready to go?
Yep.
All the things. Oh man, I didn't get my strobe.
That's okay. You got it now.
All right.
That's what's important. No. Brakes. There you go. Once everything was good, roll.
Yep. Roll it.
And back pressure. Yep. And call your speeds for me, please. And airspeed's alive.
Airspeed's alive.
Centerline.
There's 55.
That's 50. That's 50. That's 50. That's not 55, just so you know.
Okay,
There's 55.
50. Mark it at
There's
60.
50, okay. No, wrong one. Dump the flaps. We're not doing soft field. We're doing short field. Get the nose up a little more for your max angle. Right at 60 for your max angle. Okay, pretend like it's a stubby little runway. There you go. It should be about 6 degrees nose up. You can trim if you need to trim. Don't feel like you got to wrestle with it too, because I think you got too much nose down trim. Yeah, you're 10 knots fast, or 10 miles an hour fast. Next time you do it, you practice this on your own. See if you can nail 60 all the way as much as you get to practice it.
Yeah.
And then you just say, okay, I'm good, you know. So the whole ground effect thing, that's for soft field. Okay, and that one you're doing it because you're going to be airborne below stall speed. Make sense?
Yeah.
On short field, you're rotating at the right speed. You're just trying to get 60 degrees right away.
60 miles an hour.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm messing up those numbers.
All right.
And if you fly your kneeboard heading, you're going to get close to, so fly your kneeboard heading to the first point.
Okay.
337.
Like right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. If anything, you're going to parallel it, because it's an east-west runway. So you'll at least parallel the heading. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Hey. That's way over here. I'm confused. I thought we should be going parallel to the runway.
No. Why?
I guess I don't know.
Oh, here, pull out your chart. What you got it for? Where's your chart?
It's right here, and I know where I'm at. I'm just saying I thought we would be headed the other way.
Oh, from here to here is 337. We're further out here, like I said.
Okay, I thought we were going to Baldwin, though.
Oh, we're going to White House.
Okay.
First point, right there, White House.
Okay.
So it's going to be left of us because we, like I said, so that's just some mental stuff you gotta, keep into account. That makes sense?
Yeah.
And then once you think, so here's what we could call White House. Do you see that bridge overpass?
Yeah.
We're gonna call that White House. So once you put the highway on your left side, okay. So you're gonna put the highway on your left side. That's White House. Okay, and we're just gonna basically claim that bridge, and that's when you want to zero out your time. And Baldwin you can basically see, but you're going to follow this to Baldwin. You're going to follow the heading, so you have TTFN when we hit that bridge. We can just go to it. And it makes sense, because it's basically the departure end of the runway, just like the chart shows, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
it kind of drops down.
Okay.
Oh, we'll call that overpass. Yeah, I guess we'll call that one. It may be the next one. Yeah, we'll call that one. Close enough. I'll see something real quick. I'm going to cheat a little. Make sure you call departing.
Airline traffic, Skyhawk 1100, departing to the west. Airline traffic.
So what runway they using down there at Hurlong?
What is the 137?
Runway 7, thank you.
Celsius, altimeter 30.
We're Cherokee, we're 1,600 feet, gonna come across the airport in our left downwind.
1354.
That's 99 with.
Okay, so this bridge here, this road, where was it? Yeah, we're going to call
we're
this.
over it
Yeah,
right
this is it. So zero out your clock. Start your time. Turn. Your next thing, start your timer.
All right, 274.
And do your timer. Okay, and note your fuel. Fuel is 31. So if you're going to give a courtesy call, great. If you're not, you may just want to switch up approach.
White House traffic. Skyhawk 1100, transiting airspace south to the west. White House traffic.
Oh, that's better. Is this going to come off again? That seems pretty secure.
Yeah, if it does, you can just pull it.
Alright, it's supposed
I
to
won't
be
be
at
offended.
274. And get into a cruise. Don't need that anymore.